Hi everyone, welcome to RFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 28th of June, and we'll be talking about commodities today. So we can see for the past 24 hours, there are 446 articles towards it. Going into the sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling neutral and the subjectivity is currently loading. However, if it's closer to zero, then as usual, that means people are being more rational, and 36%, which means people are being rational. And in trend analysis, we can see the professionals at Trading Central are thinking that it may rise by 9.60%, which is quite some for crude oil. Now, going into the chart on top, they're saying short term, there's a further upside. This is a daily chart, and if you pay attention, the date is on the 23rd. However, because this is a daily chart, that means the current strategy could still be valid. Now, just looking at this chart, we can see the price is above the 20 days and 50 days moving average, and also on top of the Bollinger Band. From this point onwards, we can see a pretty consistent uptrend. And just to let you know that I have checked the current price, it has went up to 74. However, it didn't hit the first profit of 75.40. And because it is weekend, so the price is going into a sideways market. However, since they have the alternative scenario here, so just pay attention of the pivot point at 66.70, and hopefully there will be a further upside. The low, it's a series of supports and resistances, and I hope you like today's video. If you notice, the background is a little different today because we're located in Sydney and there has been a lockdown. However, just to give you an idea of we're still working at the office. That's the office that we're working at. And that's it for this video. And I hope you have a happy trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.